Imagine making over $1,500 a day, not by trading your time for money, but by leveraging the power of AI. Sounds futuristic? Well, welcome to 2024, where that future is now. Today, I'm sharing the AI side hustle that's generating $1,579 plus for me every single day. I'm going to walk you through my journey from discovering this opportunity to mastering the tools and turning it into a serious income stream. If you've been curious about how AI can transform your finances, this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I'm using AI to generate substantial income daily and how you can start your own AI-powered side hustle. We're talking step-by-step guidance, insider tips, and the specific AI tools that are making it all possible. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, I've got you covered. My journey into the world of AI started with curiosity. Like many of you, I kept hearing about AI's potential, especially in business, but it wasn't until I stumbled upon ChatGPT, an advanced AI developed by OpenAI, that I realized just how powerful this tool could be. Initially, I experimented with ChatGPT out of pure interest, asking it questions, generating content, and testing its capabilities. But soon, I began to see real potential in using ChatGPT as more than just a tool for fun. It could be a serious moneymaker. What happened next was the game changer, figuring out how to monetize this AI in a sustainable way. Once I understood what ChatGPT could do, I started brainstorming ways to turn its capabilities into income. I realized there were several potential avenues, each with its own unique advantages. For instance, ChatGPT is incredible at generating high-quality content, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or even entire ebooks. I began by offering content creation services to small businesses and entrepreneurs who needed quick, effective content without hiring a full-time writer. Another powerful application was customer service automation. By integrating ChatGPT with websites, I could create AI-powered chatbots that handled customer inquiries, provided product recommendations, and even processed orders, all without human intervention. This not only saved businesses time, but also significantly reduced their operational costs, making it an easy sell. I also started developing digital products like automated guides and templates that I could sell online. Each of these products was generated by ChatGPT, making the creation process fast and scalable. But it wasn't just about identifying opportunities. It was about scaling and automating the process to maximize earnings. Once I had a few income streams running, the next step was to scale. The beauty of working with AI like ChatGPT is that it doesn't get tired. It can produce consistently high-quality output around the clock. I started automating as much of the process as possible. For content creation, I use scheduling tools like Buffer and Hootsuite to plan and post automatically. For customer service, I integrated ChatGPT with platforms like Zendesk and Intercom, allowing the AI to handle inquiries across multiple channels simultaneously. As the income started to grow, I reinvested a portion into more AI-driven projects, expanding the range of services I offered. This included creating niche-specific digital products and setting up subscription models for ongoing content creation. The key to scaling was automation, letting the AI handle repetitive tasks so I could focus on strategy and growth. This allowed me to take the hustle from a side project to a significant source of income. Starting your own AI-powered side hustle is easier than you might think, especially with tools like ChatGPT at your disposal. Here's how you can get started. First, sign up for access to ChatGPT on the OpenAI platform. You can start with the free version, but consider upgrading as you scale. Next, identify a niche where AI can provide value, whether it's content creation, customer service, or digital products. Don't worry about being an expert from day one. Start small, test your ideas, and learn as you go. Once you've chosen your niche, begin experimenting with ChatGPT. Use it to generate content, automate tasks, or even develop digital products. As you get more comfortable, start reaching out to potential clients or set up an online store to sell your products. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy are great for selling digital goods. And don't forget to reinvest your earnings into scaling. Automation tools, marketing, and even more advanced AI capabilities can help you grow your hustle into a full-fledged business. We're at the beginning of an AI revolution, and the opportunities are endless. As AI continues to advance, those who adopt these technologies early will have a significant advantage. What I'm doing now with ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. AI will only get more powerful and more integrated into everyday business operations. Whether you want to supplement your income or build a new career path, now is the time to get started. The barriers to entry are low, and the potential rewards are huge. The future of work is here, and AI is leading the charge. By starting your AI side hustle now, you're positioning yourself to take full advantage of this transformative technology. Whether you're looking for extra cash or aiming for financial independence, AI can help you get there faster than ever before. So there you have it, the AI side hustle that's making me $1,579 plus per day in 2024. From discovering ChatGPT to scaling and automating my processes, this journey has been nothing short of incredible. And the best part? You can do it too. Start small, stay curious, and leverage the power of AI to build your own income streams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Here's to your success with AI. Let's make it happen.